All right, we're in Florence. This is our last full day here, and we're kind of walking around the, I don't know, Piazza San Lorenzo,
I don't remember.
I think, something like that. But basically, it's the dome, known for its, the signature cathedral and ornate stonework. It is quite a bit chillier today.
The weather has turned.
Yeah. And it's what we're coining the term is strolling weather, because you
Have
essentially
to keep moving.
have to keep moving to stay warm. But that also emphasizes the point of packing well. We had opened the window at the hotel earlier and felt outside and up layered because of it, and we're out here in the weather, and we're thinking we could have probably even added another thin layer on top of that.
Still pretty nice.
Yeah.
Won't complain, but definitely a lot cooler than we've had so far this trip. Sun seems like it's trying to peek through, but I don't think we'll get it today.
Yep, so always the importance of planning your packing, try and be a little bit more versatile with your clothes. It seems like doing lots of thinner layers is usually better than packing something heavier and thicker.
I was gonna say, what do I have for layers? A coat, a sweatshirt, another sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, so it can be a bit tiresome if you're going in and out of museums or heated places, because then you're gonna have to shed the layers. But
If you're just walking, it's nice to have the extra layers.
So we'll check in with you, hopefully somewhere warm. So this is why no one goes to the park. You start with a bike lane on the far end. Next to that, where the bus just went in, is another, the bus lane. Then you have 3 lanes of traffic going down into the tunnel, and then you have the train tracks leading to the parkway. So it's like a game of Frogger with little islands in the middle, and you get to cross 10 feet at a time. It takes you about a minute and a half to do it. Open air fish market and vegetables. Great place to buy fresh food, and it doesn't get much fresher than this right here. Go pick out what you want and have them cook it for you.